Hi everyone. Today we are talking about the different types of news articles. So the most common type of article is a news story. This is what it just sounds like, a story that gives the facts of an event. For example, a news story might cover a tornado, a political election, or a new scientific discovery. News stories should be objective, meaning that the journalist doesn't share their own beliefs or opinions, they just stick to the facts. Another type of news article is investigative journalism. This is when a journalist spends a lot of time and effort researching a single issue. Investigative journalists often uncover important information that the public needs to know. For example, an investigative journalist might write a story about government corruption or corporate wrongdoing. The final type of news article is human interest journalism. These stories focus on people and their experiences. They are often emotional and heartwarming, but they can also be serious and thought-provoking. Human interest stories can help us to understand different perspectives and see the world through other people's eyes. So those are the three main types of news articles: news stories, investigative journalism, and human interest journalism. Which type of article is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below.